Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and I am Muhammad Irfan. A positive attitude with titanium thinking. Today we discuss about Zhejiang University CSC scholarship 2021 and 2022. So first type in Zhejiang University scholarship has been started. So if you want to apply, then apply as soon as possible. So Zhejiang University CSC scholarship 2021, type in Google and click on this link, cscguideofficial.com. Click on the third link, okay, and after clicking on this you can see 2021 and 2022 Chinese government scholarship CSC scholarship for Zhejiang University has been started. So they change something in this advertisement. So what's the change, and let's start. So authority is Chinese government scholarship. University name Zhejiang University. This is for master and PhD students, not for undergraduates. So this video is not for undergraduate students, okay. And scholarship type is fully funded, 3000 RMB for master and 3000 RMB for PhD. So online apply, first fill online form and then send hard copies to the university email address, okay. No, the deadline is 10th of March 2021. Last time is 31st of March. So now this time is 10th of March 2021. So eligibility criteria, say they changes in this format, okay. All international students can apply. Age limit is for 35 and for PhD as well. So scholarship applicants are strongly encouraged to provide GRE, NTS, GAT test scores. So if you have GRE, IELTS, these kind of certificates, so you can apply. They never mention on their website, they not mention that if you have English proficiency you can apply for this scholarship or not. They not mention, okay. So if try to ask from the, if you really sincere that you want to apply in Zhejiang University, so this is top ranked university in China, so ask from, this is the email address, ask from directly from them directly or call them. So ask about English proficiency certificate, means you call them and says that if we have English proficiency certificate, we are applicable for this scholarship or not. So GRE, this is for in our country, in Pakistan, NTS and GAT test or health, and students can give NTS and GAT exams. So applicants are, they change their eligibility criteria. So this is the fourth one, and applicants with bachelor degree diplomas obtained from top 500 world universities according to the Shanghai ranking, means they says that according to Shanghai ranking your university must be within top 500 universities. So if your university is not in the in the top 500 university, then you can't apply in this university. You never be an applicable for this scholarship. So try to think about it, okay. Here is the result. You can check the results, that how many students they select last year. So here we check. So after clicking on this, I will after telling this procedure, and I will show you how many students they select. So first to fill CSC online application form. Second, upload all required documents, prepared all required documents and send to this address, university email address. So university mailing address. So in hard copies you send your documents to this mailing address, okay. Click here to fill on CSC online application form. Click here, and how you fill the CSC online application form according to the procedure of 2021 and 2022. Click here, okay. Required documents, you must have to prepared your all documents to have 2 sets in duplicate, means 2 sets. All these documents must have 2 sets, okay. CSC online application form, first you have 10335. This is agency number for this Zhejiang University, and passport size photo with background, and the size of the photo is 35 millimeter multiply by 45, means 35 by 45 passport size photo with white background, okay. Highest certificate, degree certificate, you must have degree and personal statement as well. Published papers if you have, otherwise it's optional. 2 recommendation letters, passport photocopy, physical examination form, and these things is must you have. You can also see that this is GRE, NTS and GAT must you have, okay. And this one is version 2021 form, physical exam acceptance letter. If you have acceptance letter, you can see this form is compulsory for all the scholarship applicants, means acceptance letter is mandatory in this university according to 2021 policy. So you can click here to download this acceptance letter format. Okay, here is the acceptance letter format. If you already got acceptance letter from the supervisor professor by ZJU, then ask them make it according to this. If you already have acceptance letter according to this format, then it's okay. If you don't have, then ask to the professor again and says to him or her that make recommendation letter according to make acceptance letter according to this format. Okay, now we discuss about that how many students they select last year, means this year, current year 2020. In 2020, you can see here is the list. You can check that 105, this is for full scholarship students, and 120 students for 120 means 15 students they select for partial scholarship. In partial scholarship they don't cover tuition fee, so maybe they cover, because sometimes CSC offer partial scholarship. This is happened in this year. In previous year this rule is not applicable. Okay, so everything is available on our website, inshallah, and you can check CSC scholarship admissions and university faculty link. Click on CSC scholarship admissions. You can see South China University of Technology Chinese government scholarship has been started. Beijing University of Technology has been started. Every university which scholarship has been scholarship is start in the future, we will update as soon as possible. So we try to visit cscguideofficial.com and get latest update regarding Chinese government scholarship. Okay, here is the other universities: Central University of Finance and Economics, Southwest University, Harvard, all these universities. So you can visit our website and cscguideofficial.com. Good luck and take care of yourself.